As we are all here today to support Katy and Travis as they begin this chapter in their lives, let each and every one of us continue to be there for them each step of the way of what I believe will be a long and beautiful journey together.
Dear Travis, today, in front of our loved ones and friends, I choose you to be my husband. With you, I have experienced a love I didn't know was possible. You make me feel safe, secure, and so loved. I can't wait for the day that we look at each other and say that some things do last forever after all. I love you so much, and I am honored to be your wife.
As your teammate, I promise to be there by your side through thick and thin, no matter what life throws at us. And I promise to always be here for you. But most importantly, I vow to love you unconditionally forever.
By the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.